assuming office, President William Ruto made the very deliberate and wise decision to focus on food production. Because a nation that cannot feed its people, the leadership of that country cannot walk proudly anywhere. By the time we came into office, the cost of fertilizer, 50 kg bag, was 7,000. And the previous administration had refused to subsidize inputs for farmers. And that is why by the time we came in, we did not have a single bag of maize in the National Strategic Reserve. So the president made a pragmatic decision to put 15 billion Kenya shillings for a program to subsidize fertilizer, and the cost came from 7,000 shillings to 3,500. And we created a system, e-voucher, where there was nobody coming in between the fertilizer and the farmers. It was all digital, and every farmer who cared got several bags of fertilizer. Then it happened that God was merciful to the country. We got very good rains. As we speak here today, we are expecting a bumper harvest that has not been seen in Kenya in the last 20 years. In fact, our challenge is storage and drying. The people at the meteorological department have told us that we are expecting El Nino, and we are therefore developing capacity to dry maize, and we also purchase from the farmers at a good price enough stocks for our National Strategic Reserve, so that never again shall our minister move around the world with a begging bowl. So I want to tell you, from back home, if you call, there are many challenges, financial and all. But in terms of food, Kenyans are okay. There are enough vegetables, there are potatoes, there is everything. There is green maize now, and we have sufficient food. And that's what brings us here. And I made a presentation that we in Kenya have made a decision to spend money on food production so that our country can be food secure and get surplus to export. And that was a conversation that was in that summit today. And we have also come up with financial inclusion with a 10 billion Hustler Fund to enable the majority of Kenyans at the bottom of the pyramid to access cheap credit to be able to engage in farming.